The Republic of Sakha-Yakutia is one of the most amazing and distinctive places in Russia. The largest deposits of diamonds, coal, oil, gas and gold in Russia and the world are located here. Yakutia is an economically progressive region that is developing under a smart economy operating on the basis of innovative technologies and enhancements of the creative class role. Currently, the Republic is solving the strategic task of creating a post-industrial economy sector in the region, which is primarily connected with human capital development rather than natural resources development. Yakutsk, the capital of the Republic, is the largest city in the world built on permafrost. Nearly a third of the region's population is concentrated in the Yakut city agglomeration, which makes it the most significant for the development of the Republic's economy. Since 2015, the Khangalasy microdistrict, included in the Yakutsk urban district, has been a territory of advanced economic development. The development strategy for the Khangalasy 2.0 area is aimed at implementation of a unique pilot project, an exemplary northern cluster city that is economically effective and socially successful. In the long term, it shall become a center of attraction for people with creative thinking, who will have the opportunity to self-actualize, create, and develop promising businesses on the basis of a modern technology platform. The Khangalasy 2.0 area is the first example of a post-industrial economy cluster model in Russia, the leading role in which is assigned to the creative class. The jewelry lapidary and cryogenic bone carving clusters will constitute the project core. All conditions for work, living, self-development and family recreation will be created in this area. The cluster strategy envisages expansion of Asia-Pacific cooperation and the establishment of stable ties with Japan, China, South Korea and Singapore. The consortium, including the Knight Frank International Consulting Company and the Agency for Strategic Development Center, supported by the governments of the Republic of Sakha, are developing a strategy for the integrated micro-district development. According to international experts' estimates, the Khangalasy 2.0 area shall establish a firm position of a northern innovation laboratory and become the Arctic frontier of urban studies.